I just built an AI custom chatbot that can give you personalized career advice, ask follow up questions that are intelligent, and can reason through complex situations. And that too in 15 minutes without any coding. So, if you are thinking that you are not too technical to understand AI or build something with AI, by the end of this video, you will be proved wrong, because by the end, you will have a working chatbot running for you. Here's what is happening right now. While you are thinking that AI is too complicated for me, other people are going ahead building AI custom solutions, charging premium rate for their consulting services, and positioning themselves as indispensable in their companies. AI skill gap is real, and it's creating a massive opportunity divide. You can either learn the skills now or watch everyone else do it faster than you or leave you behind, because that's the truth. And today I'm here to tell you what nobody else tells you about AI skills. Through my work, I've actually built customized AI solutions for different companies and organizations, and I've helped them save hundreds of hours by building them intelligent chatbots, AI workflows, and AI powered systems. But I didn't start here. I've actually pivoted multiple times before, from education to consulting. If you haven't seen that journey, I will put a link to that video in the description below. What I learned through these pivots is that people who thrive during these career transitions are the people who understand what is the next valuable skill that they need to learn. I'm not saying that jump on everything that's trending next, but learn to understand what's valuable and what's going to be valuable next. And right now it's AI solutions. So today I'm going to show you how I build custom chatbots for clients using a real life example that anyone can follow. Today I'm going to build a career advisor chatbot that will help people navigate their careers better, giving them personalized advice. This bot won't be your regular question and answer bot. This will actually provide you specific advice on your personal profile, have reasoning capabilities, and will ask specific intelligent questions as well. You can ask me why this example. I think this is something that can be useful for somebody who's actually going through a career pivot, a transition, or thinking about it, and is also useful for people who are helping other people going through these transitions. And the best part, you're using a tool called Chatbot, so no coding whatsoever. Okay, so first we are going to go to chatbase.co. This is a no-code platform that lets you build sophisticated chatbots. I'm going to create a new chatbot, which would be your career pivot advisor. The magic happens in how we train this bot. So instead of just giving it basic information, we are actually going to give it context, personality, and reasoning frameworks so that it gives you the kind of responses that you are looking for. Okay, so now you're on Chatbase. Connect your free Google account with Chatbase, whatever Google account you want to use. Just connect it. I won't show you because that's pretty simple and straightforward. Once you are here, go to dashboard, and this is how your dashboard is going to look like. Now, the idea is to create a new AI agent. Just keep in mind that right now, for the demo purpose, I am on the free account, and for that, I will only get one AI agent. So once I'm here, I'll click here. Now, because you have only one AI agent, make sure that you completely utilize it. Include only relevant things that you need and add as much information as possible, being in the limit of the amount of things that you can put here. So like you can see, you can add files, text, website, Q&A, a lot of things you can add to train the chatbot. So for the demo purpose, I have some links that I will be using because this is just for demo. I won't be using any personal data that I generally use. If you're using it for a client, make sure that you ask for relevant data that you can include as resource. Then one by one, I will add more links to this. So you can go on individual link and keep adding. So you can add a few of them. Once you reach the limit, it will actually show you that the limit is reached. You can only have a certain amount of data in your free plans. So like you can see, I'm adding a lot of links for now. Once you're done, you can click on create agent. Now this is where you will actually be putting a lot of efforts in setting your data up. Yes, now you can see that you can actually choose your GPT model, you can use the temperature and the action AI agent prompt, and this is where you are putting the information. So let's start here. For example, right now, this gives you a lot of models to choose from. This is where your reasoning capabilities will come from. Just for this demo, I will be using Claude 3 Haiku because what I'm trying to show you is you can use a low credit model and actually build a very strong chatbot even with less reasoning capabilities, and we will keep this to say zero point 0.7. Now again, the more creative it gets, the more credits it's going to use, so you can keep it somewhere between this range. Now the idea is to not give it basic chatbot like question answer type prompts, but give them really good reasoning prompts that tell the AI to think through complex situation. So I will be showing you how to add instructions here. Always choose like a custom prompt and then add your prompt. Now for this demo, I've actually created a long prompt which I'll be adding. This is how my prompt is going to look like. Now this is a very, very, very long prompt, but what you will see is that I have given it exactly how to key phrase it. I have asked it what type of question you would ask. So I've given it all the details of how I want it to think. So this is where it goes into your agent. So once you have saved your agent with the reasoning capabilities that you want it to have, you come here and there is a button called deploy, and under that there's a share and the embed button depending on how you want to deploy it. Currently, I will use this to showcase and also live test with you in terms of how it came out. So I use this. This is how the chatbot will look like. The UI is pretty clean right now because I've not customized it, but you can actually customize it based on your branding or your client's branding. So now let's live test it. Again, this is something that you can also customize, and let's test this. I have written a question, so let's test this. Now let's see what it gives us and see the things that it is asking, and oh my god, perfect. So now you see that this is not scripted. This is AI reasoning through problem the way I would do in a consulting session. It's asking me question, gathering information, asking me specific question. How can you position your unique background? I mean, these are the things that any like reasoning model would do, but rarely seen in chatbots. So just imagine like this is the kind of interaction you are having with a chatbot, and look at the kind of response it's giving. And this is the detail that I'm talking about. Now imagine the possibilities with creating such a chatbot. You can use this framework in different capacities. The companies can use it for their internal HR teams, for their sales team to understand the context better, for their customer representatives so that they can talk better with the customers. So the possibilities are endless. And you know what? That is why companies are paying premium price for these kind of chatbots, because these are not just basic question answer chatbots. These are AI powered systems that can think on behalf of a person. Of course, you need a person who can use AI to customize it, but you don't need a person sitting and doing this in real time. You can set agents to do this for you. For my fellow women out there watching this is your competitive advantage. This is not just about building a chatbot. This is an understanding that should make you realize that AI is not working against you. You need to understand to make it work for you. If you are a business owner watching this and thinking that this is the kind of AI solution that your company needs but you don't have time, I can help you here. I do AI audits for companies and help them identify what kind of automations and custom AI solutions can suit them the best. Two ways I can help you. So if you are a business owner watching this and you need AI solutions for your company, I will be pasting a link below in the description. Let's talk and see what custom solutions can be built for your company, which can help you run your business smoothly without any manual work. Second, if you are an individual looking for career transition or pivot and need some help, I'm super active on a platform called Thread. I will put a link in the description below, and I will also put a link to a template that helped me navigate my own career transitions really well. I will put the link to the template as well that you can use in the description. And if you want to learn actual AI skills that you can use, then subscribe, because on this channel I will be breaking down all of these techniques that I use in my own personal life. Coming up on this channel will be a lot of AI tools that I use, tips and tricks that you can use to build your own AI stack. This is just the beginning to learn how to build your AI skills stack. So subscribe, stay connected, and remember, the best time to learn AI was yesterday and the next best time is today. If you like my content and want to stay connected, consider subscribing to the channel, and let's get started.